Hello friends, welcome to Stocks for Retail Investors. As a retail investor, our target is to save, create wealth and earn. Do not lose your hard-earned money in gambling. If you are interested to get more recommendation, then click on subscribe and bell icon. Do your research before investing in any stock. Also let us know your insight in comment. Today we are going to discuss on a Maharatna company, Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited is one of the largest steel-making companies in India and one of the Maharatnas of the company's central public sector enterprises. SAIL production SAIL produces iron and steel at five integrated plants and three special steel plants located principally in the eastern and central region of India and situated close to domestic sources of raw materials. There are a couple of reasons why we're discussing this stock today. The first reason is its fundamental strength. The second is its result, and the third is its technical chart. So, as you can see here, the government of India owns about 65% of sales equity and retains voting control of the company. However, SAIL, by virtue of its Maharatna status, enjoys significant operational and financial autonomy. So, there are more details of the company which you, before purchasing any stock, go through their website and their annual report to get the details. It took me 2 days to go through all the details of this company. Now next, come to their this annual report. You can get this in the bseindia.com site, and so it's a 262 page documents. Take your time out before investing, analyze their report, and then invest in it. I'm going through a couple of highlight points here. So this is the highlight point: highest ever turnover, 60 over 68,000 crore, highest ever EBITDA over 13,000 crore, reduction in borrowing by more than 16,000 crore during financial year 2020-21, highest ever quarterly production in Q4 21. As you can see the data here: hot metal, crude steel, saleable steel, and all those details. There are more details here. You can definitely go through this report and analyze. Now next, come to this. Yeah, here you can see the dividend yield is 2.39% above, which is more than the sector dividend yield as 1.55%. Next, come to their peer comparison. So here, if you can see the P ratio of sale, it's 3.58, which is much below than companies above it like JSW Steel and Tata Steel, and even it is less than companies below it like APL, Apollo Jindal, Stain, and all. This is a peer comparison. The P ratio is at a comparatively less, and is a and is an indicator for us to buy at this moment. Now next come to the quarterly result. So if you see the quarterly result, the operational profit, it has increased year after year, and at this moment in September 2021 it is at its highest. It went to a deep during this period in June 2020, September 2020, in this period, and that's why the sale was at its lowest. If you see the monthly chart here, the sale was at its lowest at this point, 23 level in this period, August 20. Once I bought at this level here, this level 50, around 50 I have bought once, and then I sold it at around 100. Again, now I am thinking about buying sale at this moment. There is a reasons that I'm showing you in much more details. So this is the profit is good. Now next come to the uh, earning per share. If you see the earning per share, it is at its highest as 10.5 at this moment. The other depreciation, yes, there is this not to worry about much. Sales is good. Sales is at its highest at this moment. Profit is good. Earning net profit is good. Net profit has also increased year after year. Here you can see from 2010 it has increased much. Earning per share is good. Here, there's a dividend yield, as I showed you earlier, already shown. Now, next come to this shareholding pattern. Shareholding pattern, the promoter holding remains fixed. Now, next come to the FIIs. FIIs has increased continuously from this June period. June it went low, and then continuously it has increased from September 3.23 to now it is 5.38. Yes, DIS. FII and DIS goes in reverse way. When FIIs buys, DIS sale. So that happened. 13.65 to 12.46. The government, leave the government one. Now next come to the public. Public has in also increased its portion share holdings. So since public and FIIs has increased its amount, so it's a strong indicator or signal for us to buy now. So fundamentally, it is quite good now. Now next come to that. So this is the thing we are looking about. Now next come to the chart. So this is the monthly chart. So it is ranging and this range now. So if you see the RSI, it is quite good, 62, 63. So there is a lot of scope for it to increase. Now next come to the weekly chart. Since we are buying it for a maybe 6 month or like that time period, 6 month to 1 year time period. So we can see the weekly chart. It is consolidated between this 105 to 150 level for a long time, and now the long time, and RSI is also at 50 level, so it's quite it's okay. Now if you come to the daily chart, here you can see if you it has consolidated in between this period in 60 to 70 period for a long time, and then it took a sudden jump from 77. When it broke, it went to high of 150, almost double, and almost double it went after the consolidation break. So, and now here you can see that from 150 and 105 level here, it is consolidating for a long time, for a few months. From May it has started is ranging between this period. Now, according to me, since the results are good and the results have come out, this is and it has been in this accumulation period for a long time. It there is a high chance that it will grow now from here now. And also, another reason is that it has taken support at this level at its range bottom. So my from the daily chart, my target is on Monday. If I get between it's ranging between 115 now, and Monday there is a high chance that Nifty will be in the green zone. So there is a chance that it will also rise between maybe 115 to 120.25. It will be there. So I'm going to buy it on Monday. Even if I get it above 120, I will buy it and hold it for at least 150 in a shorter period. And if it crosses above 150 with the volumes, then I will hold for further time periods. At this moment, my target is 150. And if you see the monthly chart, um, in 2020 it went to a lowest of around 20, and it went to a high of 150. So it's more than 6 to 7 times it went, and between 2020 to at this moment 21. Do let me know your insight also about this talk in the comment section. Thank you.